How to fix and solve Instagram followers not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First go to Play Store or App Store, and here just type Instagram and click on it. Now make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again. This one for Android phones. Now type Instagram, go click for stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if that doesn't fix it, then come back here, click clear data. You will need to log in again to all your accounts, but that will help you to fix your problem. Then restart your phone, and if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.